Well, this is going to be a quick 1-minute update on the mining rig. Today is now May 9th, and been going strong, pretty much solid 24/7 since I guess the beginning of this year, this system anyway, a little bit longer than that. I'm running the Sapphire Pulse 580 8 gig cards. One's missing, but it's just in the gaming system right now. I'm running the ASRock H110 Pro DTC motherboards in it, 8 gigs RAM, G4400 CPU, and of course I'm running 6 750 watt power supplies. You can see there's a lot of dust building up on everything, especially the bottom system. It looks a lot worse, the bottom system. No, top one's just as dusty. All the cards have to be cleaned out really soon. They're making about 23 bucks on this one, $20 a day on this one, and they're going solid. Just a quick update. Oh, I'm gonna get inside. Snake it upside down. Okay, she's not sleeping. Did I catch you? Proxy isn't eating whatsoever and acting very weird. Let's see, will you eat that? This hamburger potato. Oh, I think you're a little dusty there, Poodle. Were you just rolling upside down?
Looks like she just came out of the bush.
Oh, that dead grass there. It's actually dead. It's not even coming in. I'll have to vacuum that up or rake it real good.
Honestly, you might just have to start giving her people food.
I know. Well, at least she's eating that.
Not complaining about that one bit.
Yeah.
She's on disability. She can only work 30 hours. They said, good, now you gotta work 30 hours a week. Go get a job.
And not only that, they
Oh, shit.
We got beef hamburger and deer hamburger we're mixing with this for the dogs.
Yep, a little bit of mud on those potatoes, but hey, it's not so big of a deal.
Dog food.
It's going to be doggy food.
Yeah.
Couple more things to go. Yep, that's a big chunk of 4 kilograms of hamburger and a full bowl of veggies. That was a lot of stuff. Now I'm just deciding to use the jerky cannon, the little 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch thing, put snakes on the dehydrator. Once it's dry, break it up into kibble, or just to make cookies. That's a lot. Like, look at the size of that compared to my hand. That's a lot. You're just waiting, Proxy, for anything to hit the ground, aren't you? Looks like brains, and chunks of corn. Yeah. Reminds me of iZombie, the movie. Brains being cooked up. But it's looking pretty good. I think it's Proxy approved. I'm not going to let her try it right now, but a couple little chunks there I had to pick out, because they would plug that thing pretty good, and that's what happens with corn and then makes a mess. Impossible to make straight lines and keep the stuff spread apart, because I need to put 1 tube on each tray. As it is, I'll have a sandwich baggie too much. Proxy, you liked that raw, didn't you? Yeah, she just gobbled up a big handful raw. I should have been smart and mixed it inside there, but never did. Kind of looks like brains. I ended up going very tight to get rid of it all. It looks like brains iZombie material right there. Right, Proxy? I know you like it raw, but you gotta have it a little cooked at least. Well, it's exactly 3 in the morning, and yeah, I don't know about that stuff. Oh, look at the yellow on that. That one's a little yellow looking. Those ones need to go a lot longer, because there's no airflow in between them. Proxy, want to try some? 3 in the morning. Good for a snack. Is that a little warm, Proxy? It looks like a snake. Yeah, it's a little hot, isn't it? A little warm.
It's spaghetti.
It looks like turds.
Yeah, that's why she likes it.
It's staying together pretty well. But she's eating it. She likes it. Well, this is exactly 12 hours. It's, well, around 10:30 right now. I'm going to say one thing. It smells like dog food. It doesn't smell like people food. No spices. So my idea is this should all break apart pretty easy now. And of course, if I need to break it apart forcefully, I can. But yeah, it's a big, nice big wafer, so that's good. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Again, this is more like a cookie, a treat than anything. That's why I kind of didn't care if they stuck together. These two top shelves here won't be stuck as bad. It looks like it could have went a little bit more in some of the thicker spots, but it's still pretty hot. I left it on right at about that temperature last night. Let's see, this is on around 80, 27. So, yeah, it looks to me like she's good.
Yeah, hamburger.
Okay, here's the final proxy test. Proxy, sit. Lie down. Down all the way. No, 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 no. Sit. Lie down. It's a little dusty there, so take it here. See if it's proxy approved. It doesn't taste very good in my opinion. Hey, 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 hey. You cannot go bury it. What are you thinking, Missy? You cannot go bury it. She's like, aw. You gonna go hide and eat it? I should have broke it up, eh?
Mm-hmm.
A little crunchy, Poodle? Her ears just went right back.
And she likes it. Hey Proxy, are you already full from the kiblets? Bagging it up right now. I just gave her her patty and yeah, she doesn't seem like she wants it. I think she's already full. I just dumped a bunch on her canned food that she doesn't want to eat. Yeah, she's not interested in canned food right now, but this stuff she's eating. But I think she's full.
Try and take it away.
Nah, it's okay. I'll leave her sucking on it for a while, see what happens. See that?
I actually smell it now that she bit into it.
Oh no, I just ripped ass hard. That's what smells like that. But she's eating it. I made her one hamburger to see if she'd like it. And I'm thinking now I should have made all hamburgers. A little bit better. She carried it around and tried to run outside and bury it, but I kind of spooked her back in here. Oh, that fart stinks. Or is that you, Proxy? I shoved a couple chunks of carrots right into there and a few other things.
I see a big leaf of spinach right on top too.
Yeah, I actually shoved that in with my finger. That's all the stuff that jammed up the machine at the end. No, I'm almost wondering if it'd be better just to do that next time, make some patties. That was actually close to 1/2 inch thick, and now it's a little bit thinner.
That's a meal for her.
Yeah, it's a good snack, and I think she's enjoying it. It's like a cookie. Hey, 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 swallow. Or, I mean, chew. Yeah, Proxy is liking it. Don't choke on that. Oh, okay, she spit it back out. Thought the whole thing was going down. She's like, no. Okay, we know she's going to finish it. I got to finish slicing this stuff up. Hey, look, even the flies like it. Having fun there, Poodle? Trying to find that rabbit that just ran by? Yeah. Yeah, you want to find the rabbit that just booked it by? Wood ticks are out in full force. I heard he got one of them in the city just yesterday. So, what was that? Was that a stick? Oh, that scared the poop out of you too. I thought it was a mouse. Yeah, I got a wood tick yesterday in the city here, so normally they're not so bad in the city, but kind of sucks. Let Proxy blowing off a little steam here. Okay, Proxy, can you start running around and doing some laps around me to blow off some steam? Come on, I know you want to. I think Fisher likes dog food far too much. 100 holes in his bag. And it's roughly 6 pounds of deer hamburger in here, and my idea is to mix in some of this and some normal kibble into it with a little bit of water. That way she's not eating pure deer meat. You know, I think I'm going to need a bigger roaster. Only if it smells as good as it looks. Right, Proxy? Hey, you like anything. I know. This is about 7-8 pounds of deer hamburger, and so 50-50, some of it's kibble that I mixed in there with some water, because I got to get this puppy eating kibble, and she's kind of being a brat, so, and she's shedding like a son of a bitch right now, but she looks so skinny now. She's actually not that skinny from not eating. She actually has a decent layer of fat on her, but hair, can you say hair everywhere? Yeah, probably took like garbage bags of hair off her so far. Yeah. But all I could say, talking about hair, all I could say is this stuff stinks. But she loves it. And same with the last stuff for a few days, and then she kind of started to fade away from it. So hopefully this works better. What, Proxy, you like the frozen clump of dog food? It's a little frozen, but it's a hot day.
So people have to understand that I don't have time to watch and comment and
it's called real life.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, for a hot day, that actually might be a good idea.
Some people get upset that you don't take the time, but it's not because you don't take the time, you don't have
She looks all purty after getting the brushing.
You must have stinky bird food.
Oh, I checked. There's no diarrhea in the yard yet. This is second day.
I know you did, yeah.
Too much deer meat, you know what I mean. But I made 14 bags out of it. I only had 4 bags of deer meat technically, so.
Well, we were both on a live stream last night, and we ended up making a dinner date, or a coffee date, and it would just happened like that. Just, and
that's the best way.
It is.
Well, it looks like she's liking it. That's a good thing. Oh, it's raining like crazy in the city. Poor puppy, outside in the mud all day. No. 20 minutes and she did that? Holy. What did you get into? What did you get into? Hey, show me your paws. Hey, I don't want to get full of mud. I know, you're wet. You're a skunk. Let's see you. Ah! Did you just bite him in the ass? Muddy puppy, did you just bite Fisher in the ass? I see Angry Cat there. Yeah, Angry Cat's down there too. No, Proxy. You can't eat it. Oh, selling off the Polaris fat wheel bike. Was going to put a motor on it, gas engine, but decided I'm going to go a different route. So we're going to be selling off this and might pick up something different. I barely used it. But selling that guy off, and guy should be here any minute now.